Hello, Class 10 Mathematics Solutions.
In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make as arithmetic progression, and why? First question is the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is Rs 15 for the first kilometer and Rs 8 for each additional kilometer. Let's solve this problem by looking at the first situation. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. To find out if this makes an arithmetic progression, we need to calculate the fare for different distances and observe the pattern. For the first kilometer, the fare is 15 rupees. Now, for the second kilometer, it will be the initial 15 rupees plus 8 rupees for the second kilometer, which totals 23 rupees. For the third kilometer, we add another 8 rupees to the previous total of 23 rupees, giving us 31 rupees. For the fourth kilometer, we add yet another 8 rupees, resulting in a total fare of 39 rupees. So, the sequence of fares is 15, 23, 31, 39, and so on. Since the difference between consecutive terms is the same, rupees 8, this sequence of taxi fares forms an arithmetic progression with a common difference of rupees 8.